Finding a reliable TIG welder that won't break the bank can be a real headache, right? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Yes Welder 135A MIG Welder. Let's kick things off with the Yes Welder 135A MIG Welder. Priced at just $109.99, it caught my eye for being a 3-in-1 machine that can handle MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. If you want versatility without emptying your wallet, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product is a solid investment for you. With a 135 amp output, it can tackle mild steel workpieces up to 2/5 inch thick. That means you won't have to second guess if you can get the job done. The synergistic control feature automatically adjusts wire feeding speed while matching voltage, making it user-friendly for both beginners and pros. Plus, it comes with a digital display for real-time monitoring, so you'll always know what's happening during your weld. Honestly, the value is impressive. Over 2,000 units were sold just last month, which speaks volumes. Now, some users have mentioned that the 1025 lift TIG torch isn't included, which can be a bit frustrating if you're looking for a full setup right out of the box. But here's the thing, if you're just starting or looking for a backup, this welder still gives you incredible flexibility without the hefty investment. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or just getting into welding and need a reliable machine without overspending. Skip this one if you're an advanced welder looking for high-end features, but for its price, it's a steal. Now, if the lack of a complete setup in the Yes Welder bothered you, the next product on our list addresses that with a more comprehensive kit. Product number 2. Welding Practice Coupons. A unique little gem, the 12-piece welding practice coupons from Welder Elite for only $6.99. What caught my attention here is that it's specifically designed for honing your welding skills. If you're looking to practice without wasting materials, this is worth a serious look. These steel plates are made from 17-gauge cold-rolled low-carbon steel, perfect for fine sheet metal welding. They're laser cut for precision, meaning less hassle when it comes to fitting seams. You can practice on projects like a hollow cubic frame or even a creative 6-sided dice. This kind of hands-on practice is exactly what you need if you're trying to enhance your skills. However, some folks might find it too basic if they're already experienced. Here's the thing, while it may not offer advanced challenges, it's perfect for beginners or those looking to refine their technique without spending a fortune on materials. This is perfect for you if you're a novice wanting to level up your welding game or just need a fun project. Skip this one if you're an experienced welder who prefers more complex setups. At this price point, it's a no-brainer for anyone starting out. Alright, that was a solid option for practice. The next product on my list might actually be even better for those who need a reliable gas setup. Product number 3. RX Weld Argon Regulator. Coming in at $28.99, the RX Weld Argon Regulator with flow meter is essential for anyone working with gas welding. What really stood out to me was its compatibility with a variety of tanks and its ability to measure gas flow accurately. If you're serious about your welding, this is worth a serious look. This regulator is compatible with CGA 580 tanks, allowing you to connect it easily to argon, helium, and CO2 tanks. What matters for you is that it features an adjustable flow rate from 10 to 60 CFH, so you can dial in exactly what you need for your projects. The durable brass construction means it can handle tough environments, and the included hose makes it ready to go right out of the box. Over 1,000 units sold last month shows it's a trusted choice. However, a few users mentioned that the instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though. If you've set up welding equipment before, you'll likely figure it out without too much trouble, and the quality makes it worth the minimal fuss. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and versatile gas regulator for your MIG and TIG welding needs. Skip this if you need a regulator with more advanced features. For the cost, it's a solid addition to any welding setup. Now, if you're looking for a complete welder with everything included, the next one on our list has you covered. Product number 4. Best MIG 135A MIG Welder. Let's talk about the Best MIG 135A MIG Welder, also priced at $109.99. It caught my eye because it's designed for beginners, yet offers great versatility with MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities. If you want a user-friendly option that comes loaded with accessories, this is worth a serious look. This welder has a true current output of 135 A, making it capable of welding materials up to 1/8 inch thick. What's cool is that it comes with essential accessories like a ground clamp, electrode holder, and welding gun, along with an auto-darkening helmet and gloves. This means you'll have everything you need to start right away without the added cost of buying accessories separately. Plus, its digital technology adjusts settings automatically, making it easier to get consistent results. However, some buyers mentioned that the TIG torch isn't included, which can be a letdown if you're expecting a full kit. Here's the thing, if you're just starting, the MIG and stick functions are robust enough to keep you busy for a while, and you can always add the TIG torch later if you choose to expand your skills. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution to get started with welding. Skip this if you're an advanced welder who needs specific features. For the price, it offers fantastic value. If you're searching for a compact, portable option, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 5, XR Market 160 amp 3-in-1 welder. Last but not least, we have the XR Market 160 amp 3-in-1 welder, priced at $79.98. It impressed me with its portability and multifunctionality, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts or anyone needing flexibility. If you want a compact machine that can do it all, this is worth a serious look. This welder combines flux core, lift TIG, and stick welding, so you don't have to juggle multiple machines. With a built-in IGBT inverter, it promises stable welding and a fast arc start, which is a game changer for both beginners and seasoned welders. The included auto-darkening goggles are a thoughtful safety feature, keeping you protected while you work. With over 300 units sold last month, it's clearly gaining traction. However, some users found it a bit lightweight, which raised concerns about performance on heavier materials. Here's the thing though, for home repairs and lighter projects, it holds up well, making it a practical choice for hobbyists and casual users. This is perfect for you if you need a portable welder that can handle different tasks without taking up too much space. Skip this if you're a professional looking for heavy-duty equipment. For its price, you really can't beat the value. To wrap up, we've covered some great TIG welding options today. The Yes Welder and Best MIG are fantastic for versatility, while the RX Weld Regulator is a reliable choice if you're focused on gas welding. I'd lean towards the Best MIG as the top pick for its comprehensive package and user-friendly features. Just avoid the XR Market if you're looking for something heavy-duty. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.